So much going on today. What is good, everybody? This is your boy Sailboat. And who are you?
Lola.
This is a $750 box from Retro Kickback. One of the reasons why today's video is so special is because this is an official announcement of how you could potentially win a pair of off-white Nikes. Now, it's not the most hype pair ever, but you could potentially win these. You could win these dead stock shoes, which are going for around $200 on the market right now. They're maybe a little bit less.
Nice.
But it's a dead stock pair of sneakers. It's an easy sale, and this is going to be given away for free. The way that you are going to be able to win these sneakers is actually listed right here above me. This is going to be a giveaway once I hit 1,000 followers on Instagram. You gotta follow me at Sailboat.sneakers on Instagram. You gotta subscribe to the channel. This YouTube channel, the one that you should be watching on right now if you're not already. Third step, this is where it gets fun. Once we hit 1,000 followers on Instagram, I'm going to put out 3 questions that are going to be directly related to these unboxings. The question from today's video is going to be unknown, but I will say this. As you can tell, we're dressed up in a little bit of different garb than normal. You can see I got what looks like a bathing suit on. Looking good, feeling good. I'm wearing some Thailand garb right now. So it's a Thailand themed episode right here.
Oh yeah.
And I actually have a vlog from when I went to Thailand on my YouTube. So if you got the chance to check that out, you actually might be able to find out the answer to the question. We're going to get this party started. Lola's gonna pour us a drink of some Screwball peanut butter whiskey. Shout out to Jake over at the Noodle House. Much love, my man. Let's have some fun. Hey, if anybody out there is enjoying themselves, Sunday fun day or Saturday at 4 p.m., we're going for it. Doesn't matter.
Why is it that my
Let's get into this $750 box from fellow Beater Box member, Retro Kickback.
I'm ready for it. Are you ready for it?
Retro Kickback is always including some Supreme stuff in these boxes, and it's really, really cool. I got another shower cap. We got some Supreme stickers. One has some golden grills, and one with the little girl, and she's holding a doll that has a knife. So that's pretty interesting. Little knife doll girl. Like these, the golden teeth here, these grills. I probably will try to wear them as a Supreme grill. A good way to start the box. Always love that Supreme stuff. Another Supreme sticker. We missed that one at first, but it's there. It's a good one. Some Air Maxes. These are Air Max. What?
97.
Nah, these aren't even posted. These I actually don't know the number off top, to be honest with you. They're somewhere in the 2000s.
You know what's kind of cool? You can feel the fly wire.
I'm surprised that you have educated yourself on what Flywire is.
It says it.
Well, yeah, but I just didn't know that you would know exactly what the Flywire was on the show.
That it was labeled properly.
It is. It's labeled properly. So, do you think that they are going to be on StockX? And if so, what do you think the price is going to be? What do you think?
120.
120. These ain't even on StockX. So?
You drink?
No, I don't drink. You got the price wrong. You guessed that there was a price, so that means that you thought that they were on StockX. We have a little bit of a damaged box, not terribly bad, but you can see a little bit of wear and tear on this box.
Once. Is that what the box is that you taught me last time?
Hey, good job.
I was trying to remember because it's a different box. I like these.
These are UNC2 Shies. These are a dead stock pair, yeah. Unworn. Size 9.5. Jordan 1, UNC to Shy. Do you think these ones are on StockX?
Yes.
Probably. More than likely.
I do.
So it's a current going price on a pair of the UNC to Shies. Dead stock in a size 9.5. Come on, what do you think?
220.
220, she thinks. Sell now price, 220, buy now price, 230.
I really thought I was gonna get it wrong.
Wow.
I'm so happy.
Dead stock. And I got a drink for that, so.
Ew. My face is really red.
We have a pair of Foamposite 1s in a size 11.
These are like clouds.
Look at these. Yeah, these are just like a straight all-white colorway here. Foamposites in a size 11. A little bit of yellowing on the soles, a little bit of staining on the mesh. Overall, for a white shoe though, these are in really, really good condition. You can just tell a couple of spots where they're stained. Again, very, very, very minimally. Overall, they're doing really, really great. What do you think the going price would be on a pair of all-white Foamposites here? The box is still intact, which is fucking amazing.
I guess 130.
130, okay.
No. I lied. 115. I want to go down a little bit. I don't think it's going to be the same price as what we just opened up on the Jordans.
Sell now price, 132. Buy now price, 279.
Darn.
We got another Nike box here. This is a KD12.
Are we?
Oh, I meant KD7. KD7s, these are the bad apples or the good apples. I always get them mixed up. I think these, maybe they're the good apples. I got them in a size 13 as well. These right here are definitely in very well-worn condition.
They've been loved.
They've been well loved. They got a little bit of life left in them, but there's a lot of issues with them, and these will definitely be more of a cheap pair. You can see that the back, there's a whole bunch of drag, and the upper appears to be peeling off of the air unit right there. Good apples in a size 10. What do you think? What's the going price on them?
I'm 110.
Buy now price, 185. Sell now price, $80. She got that shit right.
That was a pretty big range, so
Yeah.
I got lucky.
Yep, that means that
He gets another shot.
I have to drink. Let's keep going in this box. Air Max. We got some quick strikes here, so hopefully that will prove to be a fruitful endeavor. These are, whoa, these are wild.
They look like the Tin Man.
What kind of Air Max are these? You got this, you can do it.
I don't got this.
You got this.
I for sure don't got this.
These are pretty crazy right here. This is a nutso pair. I've never seen anything like this. This is weird. What do you think? What kind of Air Maxes are these? Just give me a guess.
97 because I guessed it earlier.
No.
I know it's not, but
It's
I
a
don't
95.
know. I wouldn't have known.
Like there doesn't, I don't know, maybe they're tried on. It's,
Or lightly
yeah,
worn.
these are in crazy good condition. These are the Air Max 95 20th anniversary pure platinum in a size 10.5. What do you think the price is? Don't look.
I'm trying to remember what the last one was. 180.
180, she says. Buy now price $250, sell now price $30 with the last sold price right at 180. So
No way!
last sold was 180 on the nose, which means that I have to again have some peanut butter whiskey. Next up, a pair of Jordans. What are these?
Can I touch them?
You can touch them. You can do whatever you like with them. You can eat them, you can taste them, you can smell them, you can listen to them.
I probably won't taste
That's
them.
not going to help you to guess.
I think they're 2s.
Wow, these are Jordan 2s.
Are they 2s? Okay.
Jordan 2 Radio Raheems in a size 10.5.
Really? It's kind of cool. Like 2s, I'm not the biggest fan of usually because I feel like it makes this part look really long. But the way that it has a different texture and the colors, I like.
Pretty solid pair of shoes if you ask me, but nobody likes Jordan 2s. What do you think a price would be on a pair of shoes like this?
185.
185, she says, for a pair of Jordan 2s, 185. Sell now price 110, buy now price 275.
You made me doubt myself.
Fuck.
Shame on him.
I guess I'm gonna have to take a shot. That's a bummer. We're gonna go with the next pair here. Non-traditional pair for a mystery box of sneakers. But we have some Sperry's with memory foam in a size 7.5.
I love Sperry's.
Topsiders, some slide-ons, and these are very, very lightly worn. The big draw to these is that they have some memory foam cushioning technology. This is a very non-traditional pair for a mystery box. A good shoe to get nonetheless. There's definitely going to be somebody that is looking for a cheap pair of Sperry's that are in barely worn condition. They look great. I'm sure that they're probably pretty comfortable on foot, but they're way smaller than what I wear, so these will not be getting put on my foot. We are going into the final, wow, there's still 4 more pairs of sneakers.
Holy crap.
We have a pair of Nike Vapor Shark 2s in a size 11.5. They're cleats.
Beautiful colors, though.
This is a maybe dead stock cleat right here.
I feel like, yeah.
I think it's probably dead stock.
Cleats would be very obvious if they were worn, I feel like.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah.
What if it was a turf cleat?
Oh, I guess.
Actually, 2015, so these aren't even that old. What do you think? Are these going to be on the stock?
I'm going to say yeah, but
No.
No.
They're not, which means you have to drink.
No, I do not. God.
Yeah, you gotta drink.
Why? Did
That's-
you just add that rule?
Yeah.
He just added that
Just
rule.
making up rules right now.
Guys, is that allowed?
3 more pairs. Size 16. Nike Vapor Untouchable Pro. If you are Sasquatch, I got your shoes right here. I have your cleats right here, actually. Mr. Squatch, I have your kickball cleats right here.
You could fit my whole forearm.
There's a big foot right here, yo. Big old fucking foot. These are definitely dead stock condition. Because let's be serious, who is going to be reselling a pair of size 16 cleats? Are these gonna be on the stock?
I'm gonna say no because the last ones weren't.
They are not, although there is another colorway in the Pro Blue.
Coming up next, let's see. I see you're
Size
saving the Jordan for the last.
10.5 Lebron 11s, but these are a premium. Woo!
I love these.
I see why these are the premiums.
I want these.
Some what the Lebrons. This is a really fucking solid pair right here, if you ask me.
You want to go out and like make a statement? These are Greedo.
I actually had a pair of my size once.
No way.
Yeah, I sold them for a pretty hefty amount too. These are were a very expensive shoe, especially when Nike basketball was still popping pretty hard. One of the best Lebrons out there, in my opinion. I fucking love these things. They have different hits of all different Lebron sneakers. They definitely have not had the same value as they once did, but still one of the best Lebrons out there, in my opinion. I fucking love these things. They have different hits of all different Lebron sneakers. What do you think those are right there? How much do you think those cost?
$250. I really can't get over these.
Her guess was $250 because they're pretty. Buy now price $250, sell now price $234. That means that I gotta drink a bevy. Is why the fuck not? Last one here. Last pair in the box. A pair of Jordans in a size 11. Lola, what do you think? What are they? Hardly worn condition. Really, really good condition. Like easy 9 out of 10 condition.
They're not a 1, they're not a 2, they're not a 3.
Okay.
They're not a 4, they're not a 5, they're not a 6. They're not a 7, they're not an 8, they're not a 9, they're not a 10, they're not an 11, they're, what 12 is, they're 13.
Okay, it took her a lot of thinking, but she got there.
I did?
This is a 13, a Jordan 13
I was like
Squadron
drawing
Blue.
the shoe as I was
Yeah,
talking.
so she has to guess what the price is on these Squadron Blues.
I guessed
Let's
already,
see.
don't you remember?
What's the price?
I'm not kidding.
$190, she's saying. We got a size 11. Sell now price $205.
Missed
Buy now
it.
price $237.
Darn, but you know what?
She missed.
It's the
She
last
missed.
shoe of the box. And what's Whiskey's not gonna solve all our problems, but it's worth a shot.
Guess we'll take shots. Here we go. Screwball for the win. And if you've been keeping up with all of these live streams that you know, at the end of the video, it's time for a shotgun. Now I haven't done a shotgun in maybe a month or so my skills are probably deteriorating.
I don't doubt your skills for a minute.
Going down in 3, 2, 1.
Count it out. Babe, a little slower than normal, but you still got it.
Woo! And that's how you shotgun a beer, folks. Let's recap this box real quick so you can see exactly what we got. Starting with the unconventional pull, a size 7.5 Sperry. We have a pair of size 9.5 women's Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago in dead stock condition. Minor box damage. Got some Jordan 2 Radio Raheems in a size 10.5. Next up here is a pair of Nike cleats, the Nike Vapor Shark 2s in an 11.5 in dead stock, or so we think, condition. We got Sasquatch cleats right here.
Are they called that for real?
No, these are size 16. These are the Vapor Untouchables. A pair of KD7s in a size 10. These are the KD Good Apples. Some size 12 Nike Air Maxes. These are just kind of a Nike Air Max 2000 and something. The Tin Man Air Max 95. These are actually the Platinum Air Max 95 Quick Strikes. Nike Foamposite 1s, size 11 in the whiteout edition. Likely already sold within minutes after closing out this video, but we'll find out and I'll let you know for sure. Last but not least, what maybe is my personal favorite pair in the box, what the Lebron 11s. Pretty solid pair right here. These are in a size 10.5. OGL.
11 pairs in that $750 box.
Not too shabby if you ask me. I'm giving away this pair of sneakers right here, which doesn't seem like too much because it's not like a super duper hype pair, but it's dead stock, it's off-white, it's Nike, and it could potentially be yours.
And a free pair is a free pair.
Free. You see the rules here. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel. Once I hit 1,000 followers, I'm going to post up 3 questions on my Instagram feed. If you can DM me the answer to those 3 questions first, sequentially in the same DM, including your YouTube handle, so I can search to make sure you're following me and subscribe to the page.
You better be following and you better subscribe. It would suck to get the questions right and not be doing those things.
Pretty easy to do. Really easy to do, actually. In my opinion, solid box. Couple of really great pairs there. I'm glad that you guys had the opportunity to check in. That's really all we got for today, so thank you guys so much for checking in. Really, really appreciate the support as per usual. We only have more good shit coming up. Continue to stay tuned. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as we did because it was pretty fucking dope. That's gonna do it for now. We are out of here.
Peace out.
Peace. Much love. Be safe.